How to connect PS5 controller to PC and laptop. Let's get started. Welcome to our guide on connecting your PS5 controller to your PC or laptop, whether it's through a wired connection or Bluetooth. Let's start with the wired method. Simply grab your controller and the USB to USB-C cable it came with. Plug the USB in into your PC or laptop. Once connected, your controller will glow orange, indicating it's ready to use. Now let's explore the Bluetooth option. Open your PC settings and go to the Bluetooth devices. Click Add Device to start pairing your controller. Put your controller into pairing mode by holding the PlayStation button and the top left button until it flashes blue. Your PC will detect the controller. Click on it to connect. Now to enhance your gaming experience, let's utilize Steam. In Steam settings, ensure controllers are enabled. You can even add non-Steam games for controller use. And there you have it. You are all set to enjoy your favorite games with your PS5 controller on your PC or laptop. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this. Happy gaming!